In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively send an email using Proton Mail on Google Chrome. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started with Proton Mail, this tutorial will guide you through each step to compose and send your emails seamlessly and securely. So let's dive in and get started. First, let's make sure you have Proton Mail open in your Google Chrome browser. Once you're there, you'll notice the interface is clean and quite user-friendly. What you'll want to do next is locate the Compose button, which is generally found on the left-hand side of your screen. This button is your starting point for creating a new email. Go ahead and click on it, and you'll see a new window or section open up where you can start drafting your message. In the new window, you'll find fields where you can enter details for your email. Begin by typing in the recipient's email address. Take care here to spell the email address correctly. You wouldn't want your message sent to the wrong person. Next, move down to the subject line. This is a brief description of what your email is about. Keep it concise but informative so your recipient knows the email's purpose at a glance. After the subject, it's time to focus on the main body of your email. This is where you'll type out your message. Whether it's a casual greeting or formal correspondence, ensure that your message is clear and communicates exactly what you intend it to. Put some time into crafting your message so that it maintains clarity and achieves its purpose. If you need to share any documents or files with your email, Proton Mail has you covered. Look for the attachment icon. It typically resembles a paperclip and can be found in the email composition section. Click on this icon to open a file browser window where you can locate and select the files you wish to attach. Double check that you've attached the correct files before proceeding to the final step. Once you're sure everything is in place, from the recipient's address to the attachments, it's time to send your email. Find the Send button, usually located at the bottom of your Compose window. Clicking Send will deliver your email securely through Proton Mail's encryption, ensuring your communications remain private and protected from unwanted eyes. Proton Mail's secure protocol means you can email with confidence, knowing your messages are kept safe. And there you have it. You've successfully composed and sent an email using Proton Mail in Chrome. Feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher. Thanks for tuning in and happy emailing.